Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make queen cupcakes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. For the wet components, have 1/2 cup of milk and 2 large eggs ready. Don't forget 3/4 of a cup of softened, unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar for that perfect sweetness. Having everything prepped makes baking a breeze. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your 3/4 of a cup of softened butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Gradually add your dry ingredients, alternating with the 1/2 cup of milk, starting and ending with the dry mixture. Mix until just combined. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. This makes cleanup much simpler. Carefully spoon your delicious batter into each liner, filling them about 2/3 full. This ensures they have enough room to rise beautifully without spilling over. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Once your cupcakes are completely cooled, it's time for frosting. Prepare a delightful buttercream using 1 cup of softened butter, 3 cups of powdered sugar, and a splash of milk or cream. Pipe or spread the frosting generously onto each cupcake. For an extra special touch, consider adding some colorful sprinkles or edible glitter. Enjoy your homemade queen cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.